Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gloria. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and join the family.
There's a distance between us.
So today I'm going to take you through different video ideas that I've been researching here and there, and I've found a lot of them, and it can help you grow your channel. I know sometimes you can run out of video ideas, so that is why I got you covered, and I've made a lot of research about some video ideas that you can make, which can help your channel to grow. I've done some few research and I come up with some few of them, so feel free to check it out. Stay tuned until the end of the video. My ideas are not final. If you have more, you can feel free to top up and leave it in my comment section below. I'll be glad to hear from you too. So grab a piece of paper and a pen as we dive into the video, so that you don't miss on any idea that you may find worthy for your channel. So one, you can make a video you trying TikTok ads. Right now TikTok is trending, like get a lot of views, and if you try it out, it can work for your channel because it's working for other people. Morning routines, like you can make a video about your morning routine and everyone will be interested in knowing how your routine goes. This one also got a lot of views, so if you try it out, it can also work. Unboxing Apple products. For sure, I really don't know what magic Apple products play, but if you make a video about unboxing any of Apple products, it always gets views, and most people are always interested in following a popular model's morning routine. Makeup acts, especially if you have a lot of makeups and you can try maybe middle school. You can do a video about Netflix movies for us, especially nowadays that people are bored at home, so it can be of more interest and get more views. You can make a video about DMing celebrities and then you see how many will respond back, and you let us know. Also, me, I'm interested in knowing your feedback. You can also make a video about your makeup collection, where you be showing people different makeup that you have and how you use them for different purposes, and then you try and see how many views you'll have. TV show recommendation. You can make a video about your popular TV show and then you can post it. You can make a video where a friend chooses your outfit for 24 hours. Doing anything for 24 hours. Could it be cooking, cleaning up, clearing your wardrobe, anything you might want to do, and then you post it. We shall watch. Me personally, I will watch. Trying trending challenges on YouTube, like workout, cooking, dancing, anything that is trending, and then you post it for us, like, yeah, we shall watch. Cleaning time lapse, like you can make about you cleaning your room, wardrobe, anything you're cleaning, and then you post it for us to watch. You can also make a video trying to get fit in 24 hours, a week, or a month. Yeah, trying my new outfit, you can make a video about it and we shall watch. Popular YouTube equipment, like you can make a video about the lighting, cameras, microphone, yeah, all those ones. Letting a friend to vlog for a day, then you get the footage and you edit it, you post it. Then reacting to controversial opinion. People love controversies, and I'm sure it can be a nice video. What is like to work in dash dash dash, any workplace that you have ever worked? Let me say the doctor, or where you can waking up early for a week. And YouTube videos ideas. You can make YouTube video ideas just like the way I've done, and then you post it for us. Yeah. And lastly, creating a YouTube channel in 2020. You can talk about it, maybe you make it step by step. Yeah, that's right. That's all I have for you for today. If you have more, you can just leave it in the comment section. And if you have not yet subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.